Welcome to this quick tutorial. After your payment is successful, you will automatically be redirected to the page where you can download your files. At the same time, you will receive an email with the download information. Please note that this link expires in 24 hours. Your file will be in zip format. Then, unzip your file into the folder of your choice. Once extracted, you will have our simple guide, which you can open by clicking. There, you will find all the information about the template, the first steps, how the project is structured, and detailed information on all components with their dependencies. Now, use your favorite code editor and navigate to the project folder. Open your terminal and run npm install to install all the dependencies. Once installed, use the command npm run dev to run the project. And that's it. Let's take a tour of the project structure. It is organized following a feature-based approach, divided into components such as animations and pages, which are a set of sections. The sections contain their dependent and reusable components, and the user interface UI includes components that are reusable in all scenarios. All the page content is located in the data folder. Here, you can modify or adjust all the content. Each page has its own variable and dependency interface, which you can modify or nest as you prefer. You can even split the content, use a database or dynamic content, or use tools like ChatGPT or other artificial intelligence to update all the content at once. Additionally, index.css contains generalized styles for titles, headers, spacing, and button styles. In some cases, you will find component control, but for greater flexibility and reuse, you can modify the design within the components themselves using Tailwind CSS. You can also adjust the dark mode, as the template automatically adapts to the user's system settings. Our goal is to make each component as easy and simple to use and reuse as possible, with fewer dependencies. If you explore a page, you will notice that the pages are composed of sections, to which you can add, remove, apply different styles, and pass the information you want depending on each page, and even repeat them. There are also sections, which are just reusable components intended for use within that section. In the UI folder, you will find components that can be used in both pages and sections. The animations are wrappers that you can easily use or remove without affecting the structure of the components. The animations are in the Animations folder and include detailed comments on their use and modifications. Remember that you can find all the information in the quick guide that comes with each of our products. In it, you will find details about each component, the structure, and more.